Let's talk about 6 simple things to do every day if you want to become fluent in English. My name is Deepak and I help people to make fluent in English. It's very difficult to speak English. You have to memorize thousands of words, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary. But if you focus on these 6 simple things, you will become fluent in English in less time. So without further delay, let's get into the main video. Number one thing that you need to do is speak. Yes, I know it might be sound strange, but if you really want to be fluent in English, then you need to speak English every day. You can talk to yourself, stand in front of mirror as if you are having conversation with two different people. It seems cringy, but it's very powerful technique that every single person use who want to improve their spoken English and who want to build their confidence. So you can do the same thing. And most importantly, you don't need to focus on grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary or mistake. Just speak like to your children. Number two, set your phone and computer setting to English language. I know it might be sound simpler, but it's very important way to immerse yourself with English language. Whenever you open your phone, you will see one language, that is English. So it will train your brain to hear differently. It will train your ear to listen differently. So overall, you will get something important out of it. You can follow English speaking page on Facebook, social media, on Instagram, YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, where I upload every day on different vocabulary or conversation related video. So you can check out my Instagram reels. Your mind drastically will adopt English language. After doing this thing, English word automatically will come out from your mouth. It's very crucial way to make you fluent in English. So must doable thing. Number three, listen more English. This is very powerful way to improve your listening skill. I will not say you to watch 1 hour, 2 hour English video. You can watch a podcast, listening to music, English audiobook or music. You can watch a foreign podcast. I will not say you to watch a 1 hour English video. No, you don't need to watch 1 or 2 hour English movie. Listening is very imperative way to mastering any English language. It will train your brain to think English. It will train your ear to hear differently, and it will improve your pronunciation, vocabulary that you will need when you have to speak English. So watch conversation. I would recommend you watch conversational podcast where two different people talking each other on different topic. Number four, comprehensible input. Yes, you heard me right. It means you should watch those content that you can understand 80 to 90%. Instead of watching 1 or 2 hour English movie, you can watch cartoon video that you can understand easily. And I would suggest you watch Indian cartoon video which is in Indian accent that you can understand. So this is very powerful way that used by many English learner or teacher in order to improve their spoken English. So you can do the same thing. And most importantly, I would recommend you to watch travel blog, cooking blog, dishes blog. This is very powerful way to build your vocabulary. The more you understand thing in English, the easier you will become fluent in English. Number five, record yourself on your phone. Yes, I know it might be sound cringy, but it's very imperative thing that you can use in order to improve your spoken English. Pick your phone and start talking on different topic. Like you can describe your daily basis routine, goal or dream, whatever you want to achieve in your future. This is very powerful way, and when I started learning English, I did this thing. So you can do the same thing. Number six, shadowing practice. This is a practice that used by many English learner, teacher who want to improve their spoken English. So, well, what does that mean? Well, it means play a clip of a native speaker who you admire most and copy them with the same rhythm, tone, body language, pronunciation, accent. This will build your fluency, confidence, vocabulary, and pronunciation. So this is must try thing. So guys, that's it for today. I am about to end my video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and share it with your friend who want to improve their spoken English. And what you want me to next video on?